Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in to another video. If it is your first time here, my name is Naledi Swaratlhe, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome. And yeah, I am excited for today's makeup look. I created a full coverage, full glam tutorial to show you guys how to get your ultimate full coverage glam and look like an IG model. Like an IG model. Okay, like the vibes already. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this look. I showed you all the products that I used to create this beautiful full glam. I will also put them in the description box for you guys, and also follow me on TikTok. I do quite a few makeup tutorials over there, and on Instagram and my reels as well. So yeah, do follow me over there and see what other looks I create. But this one, I really love it. Like, it's your go-to full glam for any special occasions, date nights, when you need to look put together, when you need to look posh. So I just showed you guys how to achieve the look, from the eye look to the foundation and everything. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. We're almost at 1,000. I'm hoping that by the time I upload this video it will be 1,000, but nonetheless, hashtag road to 1,000 subscribers, and I'm excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next one. Bye. So first things first, you want to prime your skin so that you can kind of like erase your pores. So I use this instant pore eraser from Maybelline. It's literally my favorite primer. It really closes those pores up.
Liz, we got one.
As you can see, my skin was breaking out a little bit. Over here, you can see over here. It honestly started when I was writing my exams. You know how exam stress can be, and I was like, oh, this is a lot. So yeah, that's when the acne started. Not acne, but more like breakouts started coming up. So I guess it's part of it all. I mean, we're all human beings. So yeah, I'm still trying to find treatment for it and stuff. But anyway, let's get into the foundation part. So I already did my brows off camera, and for foundation I'm going to use this Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid Foundation. It's a poreless foundation and it has satin light essence, but I feel like it's really great coverage. It's literally full coverage. I'm always using the NYX foundation, so I just want to switch things up a little. I haven't used it in a very long time. And then what you want to do is blend out. As you can see, it's covering my spots. Okay, so guys, after applying the foundation, what you want to do is set the makeup, because as you can see, it's looking very dewy, and I'm going to set it in with Fit Me Maybelline Poreless. To highlighting, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me highlighter, and this is in the shade 30. What you want to do is take a beauty blender and start blending it. Oh my gosh guys, it's so white. Okay, so as you can see right now, my face is looking hella white. So what I'm gonna do is contour my nose. And then blend out.
Liz, we got one.
Okay, so that's that, and then I'm gonna try and contour and use a powder contour this time. I usually use cream contours, but I've been loving the trend lately. People are using I'm sorry about the background noise, but a lot of people have been using powder contour. So I'm gonna go in with the Contour and Glow palette by Scarlet. And I'm gonna go in with the lighter brown first. So now what we're gonna do is set the makeup, and I'm using the Maybelline Master Fix powder. What I'm gonna do now is set the makeup, the powder. I'm just gonna lean forward. Set the makeup. I set it twice, so after the foundation to make it nice and dewy, and then also after everything. And I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime. Okay, so now we're moving on to eyeshadow. And I'm first gonna go in with this prior. So now I'm gonna cut my crease with this concealer. So I already cut my crease, and now I'm just gonna blend it in. What you want to do is blend the brown eyeshadow into the crease a little bit, so that it is not harsh. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with this shade over here from the palette, and it's called Ngosi, and it's a nice matte golden shade. So it's like I'm creating a golden cut crease. As you can see, my cut crease went a little bit higher. And this is very good for people with hooded eyes. So if you know you have hooded eyes, just take your cut crease slightly higher. I'm going to do a tutorial soon to show you guys how to do a nice eyeshadow look for people with hooded eyes. So then I'm gonna put on my lashes and eyeliner off camera, and I'll be back to show you guys so that we can do the final look. I ain't going nowhere. That is so sad. I mean, I could potentially be going on a date, but oh child, sad days. Anyways, so guys, what we're gonna do right now is the lipstick, and I think today we're gonna go with red lip gloss, or lipstick rather, matte lipstick, because I feel like I'm always going for the gloss look. So yeah, I think the final step, you guys, is to set the makeup, and I'm gonna go in with this from the Maybelline New York Lasting Fix Spray. I'm so extra. New York. Why? Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this for the final step. And darling, it's time to set the makeup. Yes. Face card never declines. Okay, you guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed watching me create a full face of, you know, makeup. Basically, I did a nice tutorial for you guys, and I also showed you how to get that full coverage and a full glam coming through. So this was my go-to full glam when I have to go somewhere that's a little interesting and important and I want to look good, you know. So yeah, this is perfect for date nights as well. So when you just want to be put together, the full glam, the whole shebang. I think all I need is my nails. Like, I need to do my nails, you know. But yeah, this is a beautiful, beautiful look that you can rock literally to any important places, or just for, you know, date nights with the girls, date nights with your mans, whatever. It's a perfect full glam for whatever occasion, beautiful occasions. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was nice to watch. I know watching makeup videos is very therapeutic for me. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me create it. I absolutely love it. Like, what do you mean? Earth? Planet? No, it cannot be Earth. It's out of this world, cha. Face card is saying, who are you? You know, like, you know the vibes already. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, I'm really enjoying this look. I'm sorry. It's just so sad that my plans were cancelled. But anyway, it's cool. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.